Let's begin with our next module, the module number 6, the business operational intelligence. So operational intelligence is a different concept and is different from business intelligence and organizational intelligence. So we will see and understand what is operational intelligence and how it is different from other technologies and what are the components of operational intelligence. All right. So in this first session, we will see the introduction to operational intelligence, the purpose, feature, components, and all. Next, discuss about the next module. What is operational intelligence? So we will discuss about operational intelligence, various tools and techniques of operational intelligence, how it is important in business intelligence and all. So operational intelligence is a collection of business analytics systems designed to aid decision making in real time. It gathers various data feeds that represent ongoing business operations and related external factors, then analyzes and digests these feeds as the data arrives. So operational intelligence is a collection of business analytics systems designed to aid decision making real time. It gathers various data feeds that represent ongoing business operations and related external factors, then analyzes and digests these feeds as the data arrives. The data could include information about sales at the company's retail outposts, utilization of a company's vehicles, or even broad environmental information such as real-time ambient temperature. Essentially, whatever data is useful to a company's decision-making process. The data sources in an operational intelligence implementation can be quite varied and diverse, but they are largely drawn from a company's most important business process. In a typical scenario, this information is presented in a dashboard format with data to showcase the most important information, annotated with alerts calling attention to key outliers or trends. The data sources in an operational intelligence implementation can be quite varied and diverse, but they are largely drawn from a company's most important business process. In a typical scenario, this information is presented in a dashboard format with data to showcase the most important information, annotated with alerts calling attention to key outliers or trends. Depending on your needs, data may be drawn from a CRM tool, stock market transactions, or real-time sales reports. Operational intelligence is also commonly used in IT operations to monitor operational metrics around networks and servers, security threats, application deployments, and more. New technical developments have allowed for more granular detail to be incorporated into the operational intelligence solutions. Operational intelligence data may be drawn directly from IoT sensors embedded into machines on the factory floor, or from measurements within a company's telecommunications infrastructure. By correlating key data points from various sources, an operational intelligence dashboard can be configured to help plan when to spin up additional production lines or deploy standby technicians to hotspots. By correlating key data points from various sources, an operational intelligence dashboard can be configured to help when to spin up additional production lines or deploy standby technicians to hotspots. So in this fashion, operational intelligence solutions can get incredibly detailed and complex, delivering increasingly actionable and useful business insights. Huge data sources are incorporated into the system. So next, operational intelligence. What is the relationship between OI and BI? The concepts behind business intelligence emerged in 1990s to become the well-defined tools that business of all sizes rely on today. But recent years have seen the emergence of more advanced technologies that have promoted the development of operational intelligence systems. Operational intelligence is often described as the next generation of business intelligence, a reference to the clear lineage shared by the two schools of data analytics. The concepts behind business intelligence have emerged in 1990s. Operational intelligence is often described as the next generation of business intelligence. The primary difference between the two technologies is timelines. In simple terms, business intelligence relies on historical data, such as server logs, past financial reports, and industry analysis. It was conceived to digest vast amounts of information into smaller, actionable chunks. Technologies like data mining were developed as a way to glean operational and business insights from large data stores. But this type of analysis took time. This meant large enterprises could only run periodically, delivering occasional snapshots rather than a continuous picture. On the other hand, operational intelligence tools are designed to be run in real time, using information as it's recorded to constantly improve analytics. Business are no longer tied to archived logs, statistic and static information. With operational intelligence, they can gather real-time insights and capture intel as it develops, providing useful and timely business insights. So is operational intelligence better than business intelligence? Operational intelligence is not necessarily better than business intelligence, but it offers some distinct advantages. The timelines of operational intelligence, real-time insights, lets business take immediate action regarding opportunities or threats. Business intelligence may be less insightful or relevant if it's fed quarterly sales reports and annually released industry statistics. Resulting insights will be at least a few months out of date by the time the end user sees them. So operational intelligence is not necessarily better than business intelligence. The timelines of operational intelligence, real-time insights, lets business take immediate action regarding opportunities or threats. Many users may feel unsatisfied with business intelligence tools that tell them what they have already known for weeks or months. As a result, they may turn to operational intelligence solutions that can provide real-time visibility. But that's not to say that historical data and analysis lack value, as this can have a significant bearing on an organization's future. Business intelligence and operational intelligence often work together, pairing business intelligence broad historical analysis with operational intelligence real-time visibility for a more complete strategic view of the enterprise and the market. The next is what is real-time business intelligence. Real-time business intelligence predates operational intelligence. The concept was originally developed to give more timeliness to business intelligence solutions, while business intelligence is backward-looking by design. The idea behind real-time business intelligence is to give a business intelligence solution a more current data source to rely upon. Real-time business intelligence still uses a historical data source to generate its insights, but it looks at a database that is up to date rather than logs that are several months old. In a typical real-time business intelligence setting, any secondary information is rejected as source data if they are not correct. Then what are the key features of operational intelligence? The key features of operational intelligence solutions include real-time monitoring, dashboards and visualizations, real-time alerting systems, industry-specific analysis, on-demand report generation, big data and machine learning capabilities, automatic remediation operations, and infinite scalability. So let's discuss these one by one. Real-time monitoring. This is the very core of what defines the operational intelligence. Every operational intelligence solution will monitor its own data sources in real time. Whether the data is drawn from manufacturing floor machine sensors, retail sales feed, or alerts generated when an application deployed to customers begin to crash. The key feature of operational intelligence is that analysis and alerts are provided as they happen, often within seconds of the event data being generated. So whether data is drawn from manufacturing floor machine sensors, the retail sensor feed, or alerts generated when an application deployed to customers begin to crash. The key feature of operational intelligence is that analysis and alerts are provided as they happen, often within seconds of the event data being generated. Then dashboards and visualizations. It is another essential feature of operational intelligence. To digest complex information and present it in an easily understandable format. Dashboards are the common mechanism for this, presenting information in a graphical form that takes a mountain of data and makes sense out of it. In capable operational intelligence system, dashboards are also customizable based on the user. A financial auditor and a product developer may both rely on OI information, but will have vastly different decisions to make from it. The ability to customize the way the dashboard and data visualizations look and what data they rely upon is an essential feature. then real-time alerting systems. Operational intelligence is also designed to alert the user when key events occur. The user can set specific conditions and thresholds for which a notification is generated. This alert is then populated on the dashboard and pushed to the user via the email or a mobile device notification, allowing for a proactive response. Next is industry-specific analytics. Operational intelligence solutions are a for vast array of industries, from manufacturing to retail to financial services. But the need of those users will be variable. A telecommunications company has different challenges than a national retail chain or a healthcare provider. Dashboards can be configured based on industry, making the most important and relevant information visible to the end user. A telecommunications company will have different challenges than a national retail chain or a healthcare provider. Dashboards can be configured based on the company's industry, making the most important and relevant information visible to the end user. Then we have on-demand report generation. A dashboard is useful for responding to situations in the moment and reports for presenting information to others and a broader picture of the present environment. The best operational intelligence solutions offer reporting that is accessible to everyday users, not just expert data scientists.
big data and machine learning capabilities. Artificial intelligence leverages artificial intelligence, enabling advanced models and algorithms to make sense of vast data stores. A capable operational intelligence solution must be able to index hundreds of terabytes of data every day, processing and analyzing it to continuously predict potential outcomes and expose new market opportunities. Verification operations. What happens when your operational intelligence solution determines there's a problem? It can either alert you or take action to repair the problem. Automatic remediation is a groundbreaking feature of operational intelligence, with powerful scripting allowing certain operations to be automatically repaired via algorithmic operations. Then impact scalability. Data storage and processing needs are expanding exponentially, and an operational intelligence solution needs to be able to keep up with it to be of any use. Data storage and processing needs are expanding exponentially, and an operational intelligence solution needs to be able to keep up with this to be of any use. Properly designed operational intelligence technology should be able to scale without limit by simply adding computing power on the fly via a cloud-based infrastructure. Next is what industries benefit most from operational intelligence. Operational intelligence has wide use across a large number of industries where maintaining peak service levels. So the industries where operational intelligence is finding the greatest level of impact are financial services, telecommunications, manufacturing, retail, transportation, medical. So operational intelligence is being used in finance to monitor markets and ensure uptime of critical financial systems where any amount of downtime could cost millions. Then operational intelligence can monitor network health and spot errors before they become major outages. Operational intelligence is also a vital tool in detecting network security breaches. Then factory uptime is critical in any manufacturing environment. By monitoring machine sensors and the data generated on the factory floor, operational intelligence allows manufacturing facility to be supervised through every stage of a product's creation and delivery. Whether it is ensuring e-commerce website uptime or analyzing sales patterns to locate the trends, operational intelligence has exceptional utility in trend-driven retail environments. Airports and other travel hubs are using operational intelligence to manage passenger and vehicle flow, minimizing incidents and ensuring a smooth travel experience for everyone. Then operational intelligence tools can be used to monitor a variety of healthcare operations, including hospital patient intake, triage, and pharmaceutical and inventory management. So choose the best operational intelligence tools. So there are some considerations to choose the best operational intelligence tool. Are the insights to be generated in real time, and solutions may be operational intelligence in name only and do not offer genuine real-time analysis. Is the solution cloud-based or on-premise? Cloud-based solutions will generally allow much greater scale. Is the solution useful by line of business professionals, not just data scientists? The operational intelligence tool has a much greater chance of success if it's widely adoptable across the organization. Does the solution offer customized dashboards relevant to your industry and your particular use case? The solution complement existing intelligence tools and technologies we already have in operation. Is the solution ready to connect with your machine data out of the box? Finally, we will see how we get started with operational intelligence. So the first thing is start a small things and build them. As with any large tech undertaking, you will want to learn to walk before you run. Take a single key performance indicator and launch an operational intelligence pilot. From there, add related problems and associated metrics to the solution. An operational intelligence solution initially starts with reducing app downtime, might later start monitoring the customer use of the app or determine the cause of the application crashes. Build on your success as the operational intelligence solution proves its value. Set up the KPI. So you need to identify quantitative terms, specific KPIs for what your operational intelligence solution is being designed to improve. There could be a reduction of downtime from 1% to 0.01%. Reduction of customer wait time by an average of 2 minutes, or an increase of sales by 5%. Whatever constitutes measurable, meaningful progress. Then data improvisation. You will find that some of your data is either insufficient in volume, low in quality, out of date, or all of the above. Clean your data feeds before you launch an operational intelligence initiative. Otherwise, you risk bad data, leading to bad analysis and bad decisions. Data cleaning is likely to be a involves the upgrade of data feeds or rethinking how certain systems are architected that might require new machine data sensors or changing the way transactions are logged. Then measure your operational data. Operational intelligence requires data to be effective. This means you need to understand what your data looks like before you try the data into the operational intelligence solution. Operational intelligence will fail immediately if your raw data are not sufficient, or if operational data is not accessible. Audit your data stores to determine what is being generated, where it is being stored, and how it is currently being analyzed. Team building. Once your challenges are identified, it's time to start putting together a team that will select, build, and operate the operating system of the intelligence solution. This is often spearheaded by someone in the executive suit, depending on the particular problem you are trying to solve. An operational intelligence initiative aimed at improving network uptime. The CTO might be the best sponsor, while an initiative aimed at monitoring retail traffic patterns could fall to CMO. Then objectives. When operational intelligence has broad applications, you have to identify where to have the greatest impact. Identify problems that operational intelligence can solve by discovering key forms in the organization.